Welcome to you all, deserving and curious student of 12th Math of CBSE Board concerning to NCERT pattern. Now we will proceed in the continuation of the next video, that is under exercise 10.3 question number 15. It is given that the vertices of triangle ABC are 1, 2, 3, minus 1, 0, 0 and 0, 1, 2. Then we will have to find out the angle ABC, that is the angle between the vector VA and vector BC. You know already, before finding the angle between the vector VA and BC, we must find out the dot product of BA, BC. And before this, we will find out the vector BA, means position vector of BA. Position vector of BA vector BA is equal to position vector of A minus position vector of B. As you know already, if you want to find out the value of vector VA, you must adopt this formula, that is position vector of A minus position vector of B. And you see the position vector of A, that is this 1i, I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k, I plus 2j plus 3k minus position vector of B, that is this A, B, C. Here you should mention A, B, C. Position vector of B means minus I, and this is 0, 0, so only minus I. Now I minus I means plus I. Here we will get 2I plus 2j plus 3k. This is the vector VA. This is the vector VA. And similarly, we may find out very easily the vector BC. Vector BC means position vector of C minus position vector of B. Position vector of C, that is 0, 1, 2 means j plus 2k, j plus 2k, j plus 2k minus position vector of B minus I, position vector of B means only minus I, and this will become position vector of C means j plus 2k minus position vector of B means minus I. This will be minus minus plus, that is I plus j plus 2k, I plus j plus 2k. And mod of vector BA means magnitude of vector BA. This will be under root 2 square plus 2 square plus 3 square, and this will become 4 plus 4 plus 9. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 9 is equal to under root 17. And magnitude of vector VC, I plus j plus 2k. Under root I means 1 square, j means 1 square, and coefficient of k is 2 square. Now this is 1 plus 1 plus 4. This is under root 6. Magnitude of the vector VA is root 17 and magnitude of vector VC is root C. Now we will use the formula because we have to find out the angle between these two vectors. Now cos theta, if theta be the angle between two vectors, cos theta means dot product of BA into BC, dot product of BA into BC upon mod of vector VA into mod of vector BC. The dot product of BA and BC, the coefficient of I 2:1, and coefficient of J 2:1, and the coefficient of K 3:2, 3:2 upon the magnitude of vector BA and BC under root 17 into under root 6. This is 2 plus 2 4 plus 6, 10 upon 6, 17 6 ja 102, root 102. Hence theta is equal to cos inverse 10 upon 102. This is the requisite answer. Now in question number 16, it's given the position vector of A, B and C. A 1 2 7 means I plus 2j plus 7k, B means 2I plus 6j plus 3k, and C means 3I plus 10j minus k. You will have to prove that point ABC are collinear. Points ABC are collinear means AC mod of AC is equal to mod of AB plus mod of BC. Because by figure you may interpret like this: ABC, if AC, the total distance like this, is equal to the distance AB and distance BC, then it will be only hold good if ABC are collinear such that AC is equal to AB plus BC, or in terms of vector algebra we will have to prove vector AC is equal to mod of vector AC is equal to mod of vector AB plus mod of vector BC, means magnitude of vector AC is equal to magnitude of vector AB plus magnitude of vector BC. Hence first of all you will find out vector AC. Vector AC means position vector of C position vector of C minus position vector of A. Position vector of C means 3i plus 10j, 3i plus 10j minus k, minus position vector of A means I plus 2j plus 7k. If you solve this, 3i minus I means 2i, 10j minus 2j here because being a sign minus, 10j minus 2j is equal to 8j, and minus k minus 7k minus 8k, or magnitude of vector AC, magnitude of this vector AC is equal to under root 2 square plus 8 square plus minus 8 square. This will be equal to 2 2 ja 4, 8 8 ja 64, and this is also 64. This is 4 4 8 plus 4 12, 1 6 7 6 132, 132. The magnitude of vector AC is 132 unit, and that of vector AB, vector AB, vector AB means position vector of B minus position vector of A, and according to this, position vector of B means 2i plus 6j plus 3k, 2i plus 6j plus 3k, minus position vector of A, that is I plus 2j plus 7k, I plus 2j plus 7k, and this is 2i minus I means I, 6j minus 2j means 4j, 3k, and this is minus 7k minus 4k. Two I minus I, and 6j minus 2j 4j, 3k minus 7k is equal to minus 4k, and the magnitude of AB is equal to under root 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square. This is 1, 16, 16, 32, that's equal to under root 33. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. And now vector VC. Vector VC means position vector of C minus position vector of B. Position vector of C means 3i plus 10j, 3i plus 10j minus k. minus position vector of B means 2i plus 6j plus 3k means 3i minus 2i I 10j minus 6j 4j minus k minus 3k minus 4k or magnitude of vector BC or magnitude of vector BC is equal to under root 1 square plus 4 square plus minus 4 square, that is 16 plus 16 32 plus 1 means under root 33, and this is equation number 3. Here we will have to prove mod of vector AB plus mod of vector BC. Mod of vector AB according to equation 2, this will be 33 root 33, and mod of vector BC according to equation third is equal to root 33. Hence BC and AB, mod of vector AB plus mod of vector BC is equal to root 33 plus root 33 is equal to 233, and mod of AC is equal to, here you may write this 1 under 132 means 2 root 33. This is quite obvious that mod of AC, that is 230 root 33 is equal to mod of AB plus mod of BC is equal to root 33 plus root 32 is equal to 233. Hence AC is equal to AB plus BC. AC is equal to AB, mod of AC is equal to mod of AB plus mod of BC. Hence proved. Hence proved.